Hey, and welcome to another session for the Auto Trading Hub. And in this session, I'm going to start a trade and close a trade start to finish. So that means in my previous update, I had trades open, four of them for 1.5 hours. But in this video, I'm going to open the trades and close them in front of you, and I hope it will go smoothly. Because you never know how the markets are volatile. But we will use this program called Auto Trading Hub, and you can see I'm at the website to sign up. You can go to the link, and also before I get started, I'm going to tell you in which countries you can use this system, because there is actually a limit where you can sign up. So some of the countries which you can sign up are UAE, and some parts of South America. You can use this in Singapore. You can use this in China, United Kingdom, most of the European countries, including, for example, Germany. You can use it in, I've mentioned UK already. So this auto trading hub is available in many of the countries. I'm not sure about Canada. Uh, Canada, yes, you can use in Canada. So if you're not sure if you can use a program or not, simply you gotta sign up with the link and see if you are able to register and able to make a deposit. Because if you can't, then the system will not allow you. So there's a long list you can use in most of the European countries. That's no problem. I'm not sure about Australia now. I will just check it. Australia, yes, yes, you can use in Australia and Austria. Okay, so I'm just gonna log in here, and this program is working quite well. This is April 2019, and I've just logged in. Now this time is UTC, and I'm plus 2 hours, so this is about 7 minutes old, and it's over 80%, which is okay. And GBP and JPY. So I'm gonna go over to my broker page. Okay, so I've been using the Europe FX, and I also have 24 option investors. Um, if you see some of my previous video, I've used these brokers before, and in the future I will be using more. I already use them, but I'll be showing them more to you. So let's just stick with one broker, and this is my balance which I left off in the previous session. And here we are logged in the small window, and now I'm gonna move to the bigger window. And as I said, and now I move to the bigger window, and as I said, if you want to get the link for the bigger window, email me and I'll send you the link, and also sign up with the for the easy uh, auto trading hub in the description box. So I have one trade open, which was the BCH in USD. I'm going to close off because it's not really moving, it's not going anywhere. So now, as I said, there is an issue with this broker. It doesn't update all the lines. So I'm just going to close this off by pressing. So you can see the order has been closed successfully. But it didn't go away and nothing changed. But if I refresh the page, it will update everything. So before I do that, I'm gonna take some trades. So when we looked at this, it says USD JPY, and I'm gonna, now I don't like using this trade button because I like to find the broker and then use the chart, because the whole purpose of the system is to give you an idea which direction you want to do, so that you want to do a call downwards. But when you must look at the chart, otherwise if you just copy the signals, you will make a mistake, because you have to look at the trend by yourself and maybe spot some other things, because these systems are not 100% accurate. So now let's go to GBP JPY. Now it's changed again, so it keeps changing here. Okay, so we'll just pick, let's say, GBP USD. upwards. So I'm gonna type in here GBP USD, and I will open the chart. So you can see the chart has been added here, and I will say new trade. Okay, and this was going upwards. Okay, yeah, it's going upwards. So, and we will do one volume and buy. Okay, so yeah, this one is not working. We'll close that. Uh, close this. Okay, let's check another one. Euro JPY. So not all pairs are available at all times, because sometimes the market is closed, sometimes just not available on a particular broker. And I'm going to make it keeps changing very quickly. So Euro JPY, where is this now? Okay, upwards, Euro JPY. So new trade, buy one. Now if I'm trading live, that means I'm on the PC. I will not set any TP and SL, but it's always a good idea. So I'm just gonna put SL for 40 and put that 50 and press buy. So you can see a new order was filled successfully. I'm gonna do another trade, but this time I'm gonna avoid doing Euro and JPY. So that means I've already picked JPY, so I'm not gonna do two similar currencies, because just to be on the safe side, pick something else. So I'll just go with, let's see, which way is Euro USD. So the Euro USD seems to be, you can just search Euro USD. Okay, so we do not have a signal for that one. If we just do Euro, we have Euro JPY and USD. Okay, GBP USD. Maybe this one didn't work that time. GBP USD. So let's try it again. Chart, new order, and the direction was upwards. So buy volume 1. Okay, yeah, this one didn't work for some reason. USD CHF, let's try that one. USD CHF. Okay, I will do a buy on this one. Let's just check. It was yeah, it is a buy. Now I know the rate percentage ratio is low, but it's okay, it doesn't matter, because 70% is okay. So press new and buy volume 1, put that 40, 40, buy. Okay, 60. Yeah, sometimes it doesn't let you put points. We'll just leave. Okay, it's actually 50, 50, 60, 60. Okay, I'll just leave it blank. Okay, so I've placed these items. Okay, no, it still didn't place. Okay. Alright, so we'll just do Euro USD. That should be working. And we do not have the signal over here. We have Euro USD and USD Euro. No, we do not have a signal for that, so I'm just placing that manually myself, because I want to do at least 2 trades or 3 trades. So I'm going to do one, but now before I do that, I'm going to look at the chart. Now at the moment the chart is coming down, so I'll just do a downward trend. Okay, and also before I do that, I will look at the 1-day chart interval. That's 1 hour, one day. That's it. So now you can see that this went up and it came down. Now it's actually going up. So initially when I had looked at the 1 hour chart, you can see that you're gonna think that it's starting to come down, but it's not the case. You also have 15-minute one. So this is where it looks like down, and this is where most of the novice traders make a mistake. and they don't look at the chart. So we're gonna do 1 day. So this is actually going up. So that means if you don't have to close the trade. You can leave it open. If you set the stop loss and TP, you should be absolutely fine. So I'm gonna do a new order upwards, buy one volume, and I'll just set the SL and TP to be 40 40 and buy. So that has gone through. I'm gonna refresh the page now and log back in, and it will have everything updated. Okay, so I've logged back into the system, and I've got two. Yeah, so I had closed the BCH USD. That's gone, and now I have two live trades, and they're in front of you, and you can see that they are they're little over profit, but overall I'm making a loss here because when you start off the trades, they always have a very big commission. So during the time I was explaining, the price did move in the good direction, but this big commission, so whenever you open a new trade, you're always in the loss, as you can see over here. So you have to wait it out, and that's what we have to do, because if I close now, I will be in a loss overall. So we're gonna leave that. So I will resume after a few minutes when the trades are actually in positive, and I might open another trade. Okay, I've come back, and I closed one of the trade by an accident, so that's gone because I have the one-click trading on. That's gone off, but I'm gonna just open few more trades. So first I need to look at the charts. 1 day and 1 day and 1 day. 1111. Okay, so I can take this upward, new order, one volume, and if I do this 40 40, that should be okay. Buy. Okay, that's gone through. So we've got two trades open, one, and the one is gonna be updated when I refresh the page. So this one, I'm not sure where this is going, because you can see the candlesticks in the actual price is in the middle. So we're not going to touch that one. But the Euro JPY, this is definitely going upwards. So we leave that one, and we have the trade open. We open one now here, and this is going upwards. So I will do new order. And the same volume one, 40 points, 40 points, buy. So there should be a message coming here. Okay, this trade is disabled because this one is closed. So we'll just close this window. And Euro CHF, this is going perhaps upwards, not sure, but we'll just go with it. This is fast trading, and I am making minimal use of the easy, I keep calling easy trading software, but this is Auto Trading Hub, and if you sign up with this, you get you get the system absolutely free. So it's best to I always say, if you are going to start trading, start with a system where you get the system free, and you also have a balance sent to your broker account. So that is the way to do it. So buy. Okay, buy. Let's see if we have a message on the right. This is also not working. Close that one. I will do this one upwards. So new order, volume 1, 40 40, buy. Okay, these it doesn't really like that. Buy. Okay, this is also not working. So I think we have 3 trades. We'll just refresh the page and see how it works. So refresh, and okay, I've refreshed the page, but unfortunately I think those trades did not go through, even we had the message. So I'm not sure what is going on. We still have this one trade open, and it's just a very small amount here. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to close this trade, and that should be okay for today. Now we did have a balance upwards of 300, and it's come back to 257. Okay, so this is proving to be more difficult than I thought. I think today, because it's coming to 5 o'clock, and maybe that's the reason it's acting very difficult. Um, so those trades didn't open. So what I did, I tried opening different trades to see which ones were working, and I ended up doing a couple of the AUDs, you can see, and then I also see the commissions on them is very low. So that's good news, and just I wanted to see which trades I can open. So looks like I just have to leave them running for a while before they actually start making some profits. So I will wait it out and perhaps see you in few minutes. Okay, so I have waited out few minutes, and now it could also be that the now, as you can see, most of the trades have gone into profits. You can see this is live trading. I still haven't closed these trades. They're still operating, and you can see that. And I'm happy with these. Commissions are very low, but they're just overall profit like 6 euro, 4 euro, 16 euro, 23 and 15. But this is not bad result, given that I just opened whichever trades I could open randomly just to see which of the trades were tradable, and I left the volume to be very small, and maybe that's why the commission is very low. Nevertheless, I'm gonna start closing these trades out. I just wanted to see how it's going, and we will continue the session in the next video. So my balance may more or less go back to where it was, but at least you can see live trading. The whole point of me showing you is that you can use this system and how it works, and of course there are some issues sometimes. So I'm going to start closing these trades. So number one is here. Okay, so I've closed one trade that was about 6 euros, and now I've closed second one, I've closed third one, I've closed fourth one, and I've closed the other one. So all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna refresh the page, and then we will see how it works. Okay, so I've closed all the trades, and my balance has come down to 297. So effectively we have lost about 38 euros, but that's okay. I just wanted to show you that you know how things go, and I will see you in the next session, and I will show you how I can use the auto trading hub. I didn't use any of the signals because sometimes you cannot find them on the trading platform, but that's okay. Thanks for watching, and subscribe, and also you can go to my trading course and you can sign up with that. The prices is gonna go up. It is at $99 at the moment, but it's gonna go to $299 very soon. So if you wanna access that course and to learn and start trading, you should do it as quickly as possible. Thanks for watching. See you again.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign-up support. And thank you for watching. And to subscribe, click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.